You gotta get down on the ground, sir. You gotta get down on the ground. It's on the ground.
April 2024, Louisville, Kentucky. A Kentucky state trooper pulls over a vehicle for a seatbelt violation. Inside, Dawson Blevins begins recording the stop on his phone. Asterisk Trooper James. Wright orders him to step out. Asterisk when Blevins hesitates. The encounter escalates fast. Asterisk Wright yanks him from the car, throws him to the ground, and begins deploying his taser. On Bodycam, Blevins can be heard saying he can't move his arms, asterisk, but Wright keeps shouting commands and keeps pulling the trigger.
Drop what you got in your hands.
Asterisk moments later, Blevins is sprayed with mace while lying face down.
You're under arrest.
Asterisk he suffers 2 spinal fractures. Asterisk he's jailed for months, till all charges are dropped. Asterisk the arresting officer, Trooper Wright, is now under federal indictment, accused of using excessive force in multiple prior cases.
Lay on your belly. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Now I got 1 detained and 1 on the back.
The fuck, man? I didn't do nothing.
905, start for 6119 Runnyville Road to 511's location. 10-4 now.
I didn't do nothing, man. Just leave me alone. Fuck.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, obstructing governmental operations.
I didn't do nothing, man. I had my phone in my hand, goddamn.
And I told you to drop it, and you told me no. So?
My back is fucking killing me.
Well, you know what? Turn over on your butt. Turn over on your butt now.
You have to wait. I can't just fucking turn over. I got a broke back.
You ain't got a broke back, Dawson.
Yes, I do. I broke it years ago.
Sit up.
Oh. I broke it in the car wreck. Oh,
you had the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used against you.
I tried to be.
We're in this thing together. Come on now. Now, he just stole a squad car. He just stole a squad. He's northbound on 51 in the southbound lanes, and that's marked squad unit.
Everyone's gonna swipe this car, yes. Making a unit downtown over at 51. West on call.
He pointed the shotgun out.
We're back northbound on we're about 51.
May 3rd, 2025 to Macon, Illinois. Asterisk deputies respond to a 911 call at the PV Quick Stop. A man is seen waving a machete at customers. His name Oscar McCurry, 38 years old. Asterisk officers arrive quickly. But before they can take control, McCurry forces his way into a patrol vehicle and drives off. Moments later, he crashes into another squad car. Asterisk then he steps out holding a shotgun. Officers fire. He doesn't go down, Asterisk, what follows is a tense 20-minute standoff. Officers keep calm, communicate, and follow at a distance, till they finally get close enough to take him into custody. Asterisk, one officer is injured. McCurry is hospitalized and later booked into the Macon County Jail. Asterisk, no charges are filed against the officers. McCurry's charges are still pending.
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
Let's go. Come on. Come on, Albert, get up here. Come on. Shots fired. Get down on the ground.
He's unarmed.
No, he's still got knives.
Get on the ground now.
On the ground.
I'm dead. Jimmy.
Get down on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now. On the ground.
Macon, start ambulance. I got an officer that's
On the ground right now.
on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Bring him down 51. Taking over
Correct. It's also Bullware.
Get on the ground, bro!
Ground right now!
Is that a gun? No.
Put the knife down.
Scott, stay even with us, Scott. Stay even with us.
On the ground right now! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Get on the ground! Kill me!
Get on the ground, bro! Drop the knife and get on the ground!
No! Get on the ground! I gotta die! I gotta die!
He's gonna charge at us.
This is Officer Brady, Baltimore County Police. It's Officer Brady. Can I talk to you? It's Officer Brady. Can I talk to you? Can you come talk to me? I can't hear you real well. Can you come talk to me?
May 18th, 2025 to 7:30 p.m., Dundalk. Maryland. 2 Baltimore County officers respond to a 911 call on North Boundary Road. One speaks with the caller at the front door. Asterisk, the other moves to the alley behind the home, dark, tight and quiet. Asterisk, there sees a man matching the suspect's description. Asterisk, before the officer can give a command. The man opens fire. A sudden exchange of gunfire erupts. The officer returns fire. Within moments, the suspect is hit. Asterisk, officers quickly provide medical aid until EMS arrives. Asterisk, the man is taken to the hospital, but pronounced dead shortly after. Asterisk, a loaded handgun is recovered at the scene. Asterisk, from his body. Asterisk, the suspect is identified as 43-year-old Glenn Petty. Junior. Asterisk, none of the officers are injured.
Hey, this is Officer Brady. Looking.
Sir.
Hey, so we're, and just so you know, my camera's on, but we're at, and nobody's, we can hear him talking. No, we're out front. Do you want us to come around back?
Yeah, go around back. They were supposed to tell you to go around back.
Okay, didn't see that. I'll come around the back.
All right, thank you. All
All right, no problem. Bye.
right, bye.
Just, she said for us to come around back. I don't know if you want to wait here, and I'm going to go talk to her. Just hang tight. Hey, sir. Hi. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's going on? Give me 10-3. Give me 10-3. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Shots fired. Shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop. Come here. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out with your hands up. Show me. I'm in the rear. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get out of the car, man!
Oh my God! Please! What are you doing? You don't have nothing! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
46, I'm good. 46, I'm good. We got more shots fired. He's got a gun in his hand. He's in the house.
I need my kids to come out!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Come out with your hands up! Hands up! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out to me! Come out! Get it. You gotta get down on the ground, sir. You gotta get down on the ground. It's on the ground. We're getting him detained. Scene is safe. 3 minutes in now, around the back alley.
Alright, I'm gonna go get medic stuff.
Fuck. Sir, where are you hit? Oh, shit. 46, he's got a gunshot wound. Lower jaw. 3 sirens off. God damn it. Hold on, sir. We're gonna get you help. No, we're all good. No, it's not. I don't know. I don't know. Stop, stop, stop. Yes, officer involved. Stop, sir. We're gonna get you help. We're gonna get you help. I don't know if he's hit on any extremities. The only bullet wound I see is on his face.
Where?
Wait.
Is there anyone inside?
Yeah, did you stop the complaint?
Hey, over here.
Is there anyone inside? No? Stop moving!
Where's he at?
It's a GSW to face. Have my extend 18.
Next unit, I need you to help me through his house.
Here, you hold him.
Hey, he was talking to me through the front. Clear the house with him.
He's got a gunshot wound to his jaw. I don't know if he's hit anywhere else.